Right. A very good morning to all of you, ladies and gentlemen, those who are joining with us today for this open day in the professional certificate in marketing. So, once again, I would like to welcome each and every one of you for this open day. And then, of course, I would like to welcome our guests who are present here today as well. So, with that note, ladies and gentlemen, the Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing is the apex body for Sri Lankan marketers, which was founded in 1970 and subsequently incorporated by an act of parliament in 1980, recognizing it as the national body for marketing and a not for profit organization. We're mandated to uplift the marketing profession in Sri Lanka, thus providing marketing studies and conducting many national level events and projects as well. SLIM is governed by a council of management and an executive committee headed by a president and composed of professionals from numerous industries in a honorary capacity. We take pride in organizing national level events consecutively on an annual basis, which are popular among the Sri Lankan corporates and public alike. So, ladies and gentlemen, the professional certificate of in marketing uh, presented to you by the Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing. So the Professional Certificate of Marketing, or the PCM, is the gateway for people who have an interest in marketing to venture into a fulfilling career in the field. Marketing serves as not only a career path, but as a lifestyle and will ensure that all professionals uplift their everyday standards. The course will cover basic concepts of marketing and lay the foundation for marketing as a profession. And the PCM qualification is specially designed for beginners in marketing. The Professional Certificate of Marketing course has a 3 month study duration leading up to a postgraduate diploma in marketing. So, ladies and gentlemen, with those two introductions about the Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing and then, of course, about the PCM program, we move on with the proceedings of today's event. But before that, I would like to take this time to tell you about another initiative taken by the Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing at the national level, the Slim Future Ready Sri Lanka. Now, as the country ends its lockdown and progresses well with its vaccination program, Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing, under the auspices of the Prime Minister's office and in collaboration with the Ministry of Youth and Sports, is launching the national initiative Future Ready Sri Lanka, aiming to encourage entrepreneurship, innovation, skills, and knowledge based industries and society, which they believe are essential as we embrace this new normal and prepare for the economic recovery. Future Ready Sri Lanka is not merely a campaign, it's a national call with a sense of emergency to encourage Sri Lankans to adopt to this new normalcy, challenge dependent and risk averse mentality, and enforce an entrepreneurial and innovative mindset with the right skills and knowledge to drive Sri Lanka towards economic recovery and prosperity.
අපි හැමෝම එකතු වෙලා රට පණගන්වන මෙහෙයුම ආරම්භ කළා. දැන් මුළු රටම අලුත් ගමනකට සූදානම් වෙලා. මේ ගමනේ සාර්ථකත්වය අපි හැමෝගෙම වගකීමක්. වෙහෙස වෙලා දහඩිය හලන්න වගේම අපේ බුද්ධිය මෙහෙවන්න අපිට සිද්ධ වෙනවා. අවදානම් හඳුනාගෙන අලුත් සොයාගැනීම් තුළින් ඉදිරියටම ගමන් කරන්න නව මාවත් විවර කරගන්න වෙනවා. අපේ ගම වෙනුවෙන් ලෝකයේ තුල අපටම වෙන්නුණු තැනක් හදාගන්න වෙනවා. අපි දැනුමෙන් සන්නද්ධ වෙමු. අපේ රට දැනුම් කේන්ද්‍රයක් බවට පත් කරමු. ඒ තුළින් අපේ රටේ ආර්ථිකය ගොඩනගමු. එන්න එකතු වෙලා පණ ගන්නපු අපේ රට අපි දැන් අනාගතයට සූදානම් කරමු. Future Ready Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka අග්‍රාමාත්‍ය කාර්යාලයේ උපදේශය යටතේ මෙහෙයුමට සවිය තරුණ හා ක්‍රීඩා කටයුතු අමාත්‍යාංශය සමග ස්ලිම් ශ්‍රී ලංකා අලෙවිකරණ ආයතනය.
Right. So, ladies and gentlemen, now we can move on with the proceedings of today's event. So, first of all, to welcome you all for this wonderful occasion, I would like to invite Dr. Damien Fernando, Head of Education, Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing.
Thank you, everyone. First of all, let me welcome on behalf of Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing. Let me welcome all the students who are starting their marketing journey today with Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing. At the same time, I would like to acknowledge today we have three important personnel with here. One is Mr. Nuwan, the CEO e-commerce solution at Softlogic. Also, I would like to acknowledge we have here one of the senior marketing lecturers, marketing personalities in Sri Lanka, Mr. Sylvester. I would like to welcome Mr. Sylvester also for this session. Also, we have our business school manager, Mr. Pawan, also together with us to talk to you, to share our experiences with you. Dear students, I believe that today you are starting very important journey of your life. As you know, the tendency of today's world, most of the youngsters think that they should after their O-levels or A-levels, they should get into a university and do a degree. As you know, there are plenty of private universities available in Sri Lanka. They just think, okay, I go in the mainstream, I'll go to a university where I do a management degree. Right? There are many Sri Lankan students do that way. I don't have I'm not blaming them or I don't criticize them, but what I can see in you is you have decided to do something different, meaning instead of going with the trend or with the swing, you have decided, no, I'm going to pursue my career in marketing. So you are just taking your first step today. But first of all, let me tell you that you have taken a wise, correct decision to start your marketing career with Slim. As at the introduction session, as we mentioned, Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing was established in 1970, and we were recognized as the apex body for marketing in Sri Lanka in 1980 through a Parliament Act. Since 1970, we have produced many marketing professionals in Sri Lanka. If you look at today in Sri Lanka, in many places, starting from CEOs and directors, you can see Slim graduates all over Sri Lanka as well as all over the world. So Slim has produced quality graduates to Sri Lanka as well as rest of the world. So you are going to be part of that institution from now on. And also I would like to tell you that this journey you're starting with your PCM program today will go for 3 months, and which will open you many doors. So your next step would be you're starting your postgraduate diploma in marketing, which is going to be 1.5 year course, which is a postgraduate diploma course. I would like to share with you here. Yesterday we conducted our inauguration for our master's program, which we had over 50 students. They all have, most of them have started their career as PCM students doing 3 months course and 1.5 years as PGDip. And in 6 months time, they are going to be having a master's degree from a UK university. So if you take the total duration, it's just about, or just 2 years and 3 months, I would say, the entire journey. So I think you have entered to a correct path. You have taken a correct decision. And also, if I tell you, Slim is not just a mere education institute. We are doing more than education. Of course, our main area is education, but we do many things within Slim. I would like to tell you, as you all are students, we have a separate section as a research. So we are giving quality research for many firms in Sri Lanka. We have an arm of memberships. So in that membership division, we have many Sri Lankans who have in high positions in their corporate ladder. So you can be a proud member of that with those colleagues as well. And also we have a huge event section as well with Slim. So you are not going to be just part of education body, but an education body which can offer you many more things. So dear students, I would like to welcome you for this program, and also just without taking much of a time, I would like to tell you, you have taken the correct decisions. So, but before I finish my welcome speech, let me tell you this. I have been, Shisheni, මම අවුරුදු ගණනාවක් පුරා විශ්වවිද්‍යාලවල ලංකාවෙත් විදේශවලත් දරුවන්ට අධ්‍යාපන කටයුතු කරලා තියෙනවා. මම ලංකා විශ්වවිද්‍යාලවලත් උගන්වීම් කටයුතු කරලා තියෙනවා. මට ඔබ සමග බෙදා ගන්නට මම ඒ වගේම පෞද්ගලික ආයතනවල රැකියා කරලා තියෙනවා. ඒක නිසා මම ශිෂ්‍යයොත් එක්ක ළඟින් වැඩ කරලා තියෙන නිසා මම කැමතියි මගේ අත්දැකීමක් බෙදා ගන්න. අපි දැන් ඔබ දන්නවා මේ කොවිඩ් එකත් එක්ක ලෝකය වෙනස් වෙනවා. එතකොට අපි මේ ලෝකය වෙනස් වෙනකොට අපිට සාම්ප්‍රදායික විදිහට හිතන්න බෑ, අපි අලුත් විදිහට හිතන්න ඕනේ. ඒකට රෙඩි කරන්නත් ස්ලිම් ආයතනයේ විවිධ සැලසුම් හදලා තිනවා. ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැක්ක දැන් ෆියුචර් රෙඩි ශ්‍රී ලංකා කියන concept එකත් ඒකේ කැලලා. එතකොට ඕගොල්ලෝගේ දැනුමෙන් සන්නද්ධ වෙන අතරම මේ වගේ ආයතනයක් කරා ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ දැනීම එකතු කර ගන්න අතරම මම ඕගොල්ලන්ට කියන්න ඕනේ ස්ලිම් ආයතනයේ ඕගොල්ලන්ට මේ මාකටිං ලංකාවේ මාකටිං ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එකේ ඉන්න ඉහළම ප්‍රොෆෙෂනල්ස්ලා ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ උදව්වට ගෙනල්ලා තියෙනවා. ඒතකොට ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ යුතුයකම තමයි මේ ප්‍රොෆෙෂනල්ස්ලාගේ දැනීම හොඳින් පාවිච්චි කරන එක. ඒ ප්‍රොෆෙෂනල්ස්ලාගේ අත්දැකීම හොඳට පාවිච්චි කරන එක. ඒක පාවිච්චි කරලා ඕගොල්ලන්ගුත් සන්නද්ධ වෙන්න ඕනේ ඒ දැනීම් උකහාගෙන ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ අනාගතය හැඩගස්වා ගන්නට. එම නිසා මේ ලැබිච්ච අවස්ථාවේ මොකද ස්ලිම් ආයතනයේ ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ අපේ ලෙක්චරර්ස්ලා රික්‍රූට් කරනකොට අපේ වැඩසටහන් සම්පාදනය කරනකොට අපි අපේ තත්ත්ව පාලනය අපේ ක්වොලිටි එක ගැන අපි හරියටම සැලකිලිමත් වෙනවා. එම නිසා ඒ වගේ ආයතනයක තමයි ඔබ අධ්‍යාපනය ලබන්නේ. එම නිසා ඒ ඉන්නා වූ ඒ ලෙක්චරර්ස් ළඟින් ඒ රිසෝස් පර්සනල් ළඟින් හොඳට ඕගොල්ලෝ ඉගෙනගෙන ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ අනාගතය හදාගන්න. අවසාන වශයෙන් මම මේ ඔබට සඳහන් කරන්න ඕන ශිෂ්‍ය වශයෙන් ඔබට මාකටිං ඩිග්‍රීස් 10ක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. MBAs 5ක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. PhDs 3ක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. නමුත් වැදගත් දේ දරුවනේ අපේ ජීවිතේ අපිට තියෙන්නට ඕනේ හොඳ ඇටිටියුඩ් එකක්. අපිට ඩිග්‍රීස් 10ක් තිබුණා. අපිට මාස්ටර්ස් ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් කොච්චර තිබුණත් අපිට PhD තිබුණත් වැඩක් නැහැ. අපේ ඇටිටියුඩ් එක නරකයි. ඒක නිසා මම මේ දරුවන්ට කියන්නේ මුලින්ම ඕගොල්ලෝ ධනාත්මකව හිතන්න. ජීවිතේ විෂන් එකක් ඇති කරගන්න. ඒ විෂන් එක ඔස්සේ ගමන් කරන්න. අරමුණක් ඇති කරගෙන ඒ අරමුණ කරා යන්න. මේ ගමනේදී ඕගොල්ලෝ ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ කැරියර් සිලෙක්ට් කරද්දී මේ මුදල හෝ පඩිය දිහා විතරක් බලලා ආයතනවත් සිලෙක්ට් කරගන්න එපා. ඕගොල්ලෝ බලන්න මම මේ ආයතනයට ඇතුළු වුණොත් මට කොච්චරක් දුර මට කොච්චරක් දේවල් ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන්ද? මට මේ ගමන කොච්චරක් දුර යන්න පුළුවන්ද? මේ ආයතනයේ මාත් එක්ක ඉඳලා මගේ කැරියර් ඔබ්ජෙක්ටිව් එකට කොච්චරක් දුර සපෝට් කරනවද? එම නිසා මිල මුදල් ගැන විතරක් හිතන්න එපා. ඕගලන්ට කොච්චර දේවල් ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන්ද? ඒ වගේම හොඳ ඇටිටියුඩ් එකකින් ෆ්‍රෙන්ඩ්ලි නේචර් එකකින් තමන් යන ආයතනයේ සමහරලාට තමන් වැඩ කරන්නේ තමන්ට ඩිග්‍රියක් තියෙන්න පුළුවන්, තමන්ට PG ඩිප් එකක් තියෙන්න පුළුවන්, තමන්ට PC මැත් තියෙන්න පුළුවන්, තමන්ගේ ආයතනයේ ප්‍රධානියට මුකුත් නොතියෙන්න පුළුවන්. නමුත් ඔහුගේ හැකියාවට ගරු කරලා, ඔහුගේ දැනීමට ගරු කරලා හැමදේම නිහතමානීව ඉගෙනගෙන නිහතමානී කමින් ඉදිරියට යන්න පුරුදු වෙන්න. එතකොට ඔබට කවදාවත් වරදින්නේ නැහැ. ඔබ සියලු දෙනාම මම ස්ලිම් ආයතනය වෙනුවෙන් සාදරයෙන් පිළිගන්නවා. ඔබ සියලු දෙනාටම මම සුබ අනාගතයක් ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරනවා. ඔබ සියලු දෙනාම සාර්ථක වෙලා යම් දිනක අපේ මාස්ටර්ස් කෝස් එක යම් දිනක නෙමෙයි වැඩි දුරක් නැහැ. තව අවුරුදු දෙකක් ඇතුළත ඔය දෙකයි මාස්ටර්ක් ඇතුළත මාකටිං ස්පෙෂලායිස් MBA එකක් අරගෙන UK යුනිවර්සිටි එකකින් අපේ මේ කෝස් දෙක ඉවර කළා UK යුනිවර්සිටි එකකින් මාකටිං MBA එකක් ඉවර කරන ශිෂ්‍ය පරපුරක් දකින්නට ඔබ සියලු දෙනාම එතනදී මම දකින්නට ඒ ඉනෝග්‍රේෂන් ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එකේදී ආය පාරක් ඔයාලා කතා කරන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ. මම නවතිනවා. I wish you all the best. Again, thank you very much, Mr. Nuwan, Mr. Sylvester, and Mr. Pawan, and also our computer today. He has been doing a great job. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir. So now we'll move on to our most important part of this today's agenda, and that is the guest speaker's message. And as Dr. Damien Fernando correctly mentioned, we have an important guest here with us today. So he's here and he's ready to share all his experience and his knowledge on his career with you today. So before revealing his name, let me give you a brief introduction about this personality who is here with us today. So he is the Chief Operating Officer e-commerce at SoftLogic Retail Holdings, where he currently oversees the e-commerce business of supermarkets, fashion, and electronics. He is an accomplished business leader with over 16 years of diverse industry experience, which spans retail, FMCG, IT, and financial services. Prior to taking over the reins at Group's e-commerce business, he held the positions of sector head of marketing, financial services, and head of marketing at SoftLogic Life. He was with the multinational giant Unilever for over 5 years, where his expertise was harnessed in brand building for some of the company's iconic brands. He was awarded the citation for Asia's Best Marketer at the CMO Asia 7th edition held in Singapore in 2016 and was listed among most influential global marketing leaders at World Marketing Congress in Mumbai in 2017. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Nuwan Vidyapathige, Chief Operating Officer, E-commerce, SoftLogic Retail Holdings.
Right. Thank you, Oshada. Thank you, Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing, for inviting me to share my experiences with all these budding marketers. So let me start my speech by congratulating all the participants who are here today for making an excellent career choice, first of all, because I will discuss why marketing is a great career choice for all the budding professionals in this country. And then, of course, starting this program with Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing, which is a very vital step in developing yourself as marketers. With that note, let us look at some of the key aspects of becoming a marketer. First thing is, what is marketing about? What is it about, right? That clarity at an early stage in your life, in your career, is extremely important. Some say marketing is about communication, right? And I have seen some youngsters coming into the field of marketing thinking, okay, it is about advertising, it is about activations, you know, all the fancy things that you see in the front end of marketing. But marketing is much more than just communicating about your product proposition or service proposition. It has a lot to do with the entire value chain of a company, right? So overall value proposition of the company has to be driven through marketing. That is where a lot of the people, even the top management in certain companies, falter, not identifying the potential marketing could offer. Marketing කියන්නේ communication කරන එක නැත්නම් advertising විතරක් නෙවෙයි. නැත්නම් ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ role එක වෙන්නේ advertising නැත්නම් communication කියන දේ පමණක් නෙවෙයි, මුළු ආයතනයේම සියලුම කාර්යයන් සඳහා marketing කියන එක වැදගත් වෙනවා. මොකද අපි දැන් කතා කරන්නේ we talk about organizations being customer centric, right? If it's customer centric, who represent customers in an organization? That is marketing. So if customer is central to the organization and its strategy, then marketing has to become central to the organization and its function. So that is a very clear message that I have to give all of you, the importance of marketing in an organization, right? And the other key thing is you have to have your role clarity, especially when you get into marketing for the first time. You have to discuss what your role is, because marketing, like I said, it has a very expansive scope. It's about communication, it's about new product development, it's about servicing. So there are so many things that marketing function could carry out. But in the initial stage, you may not get to do all of that. So you have to have a chat with your supervisor, you have to have a chat with your senior management and understand what is expected from you. Otherwise, it will be a very frustrating affair, both for you as well as your management. So you have to clearly establish what are the key performance indicators or KPIs that you should deliver, because there's this notion even among marketers thinking that, okay, marketing effort cannot be measured, which is wrong. Marketing effort can be measured. Now there's a term for it. It's called return on marketing investment, or ROMI. In certain multinationals, that's a matrix, that's a terminology that we use. Right? So you have to agree. Otherwise, at the end of the performance evaluation, you may not have anything to prove. You may not have a way to establish the fact that you have added value to the organization. So those are some of the key things that you have to have in mind when you first start your career as marketers. Right? So the second question is, why is marketing a good career? Marketing is a good career because it impacts, and the impact that it creates within the customers and the society. Not many functions can boast saying that we have an influence over people and the society, right? Then අපි කරන දේවල් වලින් අපිට customers ලා හිතන විදිය වෙනස් කරන්න පුළුවන්. සමාජයක් හිතන විදිය වෙනස් කරන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් සමහර අනිත් functions වලට organization එක ඒක කරන්න බෑනේ. And we are at the forefront of making those changes. In some of our marketing models, we say, okay, what are the existing customer behavior? What will be the desired customer behavior, and how to get there? So we effectively, as marketers, what we do is we influence people. We influence people's thinking. So that is power, people. That is what, as a marketer, drives me. Right? No other function can boast to have such an influence over people and the society. And then I discussed about the importance to the business. Right? So you will be in the central of the business operation. So some people call marketing a support function. No, marketing is no longer a support function. Marketing is one of the key functions in an organization. So the go-to-market function is what drives revenue and the profitability. So you are central to the organization's activities, which is a great place to be. Right? And then the other thing is, it's a fun place to be as well. So marketers generally looked as jovial people, right? There's a lot of fun that you can have while doing marketing, because you have to be that sort of a personality if you are to be creative and delivering effective marketing. So that is key. So you have to have fun while doing marketing. Actually, you have to have fun doing your work anywhere you are in an organization, but being in a marketing function enables you to really go out there and express yourself and have a lot of fun. That is the culture, and the marketing community is such, and the work that you are supposed to do are non-routine compared to some of the other functions. And lastly, it is a career with very good earning potential as well. So there are certain senior marketers, senior salespeople who are sometimes earning more than CEOs of companies. So if you are good, there's a great potential for you to earn well through this career as well. Right? Then comes the important question: how to become a good marketer. So the first and foremost, the main thing is learning. So learning is twofold. One is formal learning, which what you have started doing through enrolling to this marketing program, which is extremely critical because you have to have a basic understanding of marketing principles and frameworks for you to effectively function as a marketer. So the other second thing is informal learning. So informal learning is about doing a lot of reading, absolutely crazy amount of reading. So that is how I have developed myself as a marketer. Yes, I have a degree in commerce and I have covered marketing extensively. But apart from that, I think more than the degree, which helped me to really develop myself as a marketer, is the amount of reading that I have done. And I have listed down key books that I would like you guys to read, because these are basic minimum reading that you have to do if you are to become an effective marketer, right? So let me just quickly read those few titles. I don't think I have time to screen share and show you those books, but quickly I will go to the list of items. So if you want to become a half decent marketer, remember you have to read these minimum list of books, right? Number one is What CEO Wants You to Know, right? So it talks about the role that is expected out of not only marketers, any professional, then how brands grow. Right? I will send the list of books to Slim so that they can share these things with you guys. Then Marketing Warfare, Al Rees's famous classic, right? Brand Sense, Martin Lindstrom. Hero and the Outlaw, which talks about marketing archetypes. Blue Ocean Strategy, Lean Startup, The Art of Thinking Clearly, and 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Those are not only marketing text, but will shape your thinking as marketers to become effective marketers, right? So remember, learning involves both formal and informal. If you want to become a good marketer, you have to develop the habit of reading. Right. Then how to become a good marketer? The second thing is you have to challenge the status quo. As a marketer, that is a quality that you have to have in you. What do you mean by challenging the status quo? දැනට තියෙන දේවල් කරගෙන යන දේවල් වලට වඩා වෙනස් විදියට දේවල් හිතන්න ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන. හොඳම මාකටර්ස්ලා වෙච්ච අය මේ රටෙත් ලෝකෙත් ඒ වගේ වෙනස් විදියට හිතපු කට්ටිය. ඒකින්ද තමයි ඒගොල්ලන්ට කියන්නේ the crazy people කියලා සමහර කට්ටිය. right? ඔය අපි දන්න ලොකු මාකටිං පර්සනැලිටිස්ලට අපි එහෙමයි හඳුනන්නේ. මොකද ඒගොල්ලෝ දැනට තියෙන තත්වයට challenge කරපු කට්ටිය. right? මම පොඩි උදාහරණයක් කියන්නම්. අපි Soflogic Life එකේ කොහොමද ඒක ගෙනාවේ කියන එක. so දැන් ඉන්ෂුරන්ස් කියන එක සාමාන්‍යයෙන් මිනිස්සු හිතන්නේ කොහොමද ඉන්ෂුරන්ස් මාකට් කරන්නේ? බය විකුණලා. මරණය විකුණලා. right? ඒ කියන්නේ අර ඉන්ෂුරන්ස් ඒජන්ට් කෙනෙක් දකිද්දි ගෙදරට එද්දි මිනිස්සෙක්ට පේන්නේ මාරයා ගෙදරට එනවා වගේ කියලා. මම විහිළුවට කියන්නේ එහෙමයි. right? මොකද ඒ තරමට ඒ ඉමේජ් එක හදලා තියෙන්නේ හරිම නෙගටිව් මාකටිං වලින්. fear mongering කියලා අපි කියන්නේ ඒකට. right? But when we rebranded and when we started building our Soflogic Life brand, we took a completely different approach. We said we are going to portray a very positive image about insurance. We talk about positive things about life. We ask customers to embrace the positive things in lives. So that was challenging status quo. The entire industry laughed at us, saying that මේගොල්ලන්ට පිස්සු. This is not how things are done in this industry. Right? But we managed to change the landscape of the insurance industry through those positive kind of communication. When I started my career at Soflogic Life, we were the 87th brand in the brand finance ranking. But once we challenged the status quo and rolled out our positive brand building campaigns, we ended up in 44th player in the brand finance ranking list within 3 years. Right? So that is the kind of impact that we could create by challenging the status quo. And you also have to be inspiring or be inspired. What do you mean by be inspired? Ogolamma motivate Ogolamma inspire. The first thing that I did when I came in to SoftLogic Life marketing team to inspire the team, saying that, look here guys, we have to become one of the best marketing teams in this country. We have to win Slim Brand Excellence Award. We have to win an FE award because that will validate our effort. Now, this is way before even we actually put a proper team together. I had some people who were not marketers at that time, but I managed to inspire them to become one of the top marketers in the country. So inspiration is extremely important. That's why you have to participate for events like brand excellence, FEs, DGs. So you can see some great work done by the marketers, and you yourself can get inspired to do some great marketing. So inspiration is key. And then another important factor is you have to be very strong in your finances, in your numbers. Now that is one of the key accusations marketers get from other functions, senior managers. Marketers are not strong in their numbers. See, marketing is about business, right? You will not become a good marketer without having a proper finance knowledge behind your marketing knowledge. Don't ever think that you can become a marketer without being good at your numbers. May it revenue numbers, could it be costing, management accounting, right? So I purposely followed. I knew I wanted to become a marketer when I was doing my O-levels, right? Yet, even before I touched marketing studies, I started following CIMA because I knew as a marketer, this will give me an edge over rest of the marketers, because rest of the marketers were not, or at least at that time, were not into numbers, not into finance. So at this stage, I want you guys to get that into your head, right? You have to be good in your numbers, in your finance, right? And then go for diversity in experience also. Don't limit yourself into a one industry, because then you get conditioned. Then you can't think out of the box. Then you can't challenge the status quo because you become part of the status quo. That's why I have changed my industries from IT. I started in IT, then I moved to FMCG, then I moved to financial services, then retail. So which has given me a fresh perspective towards everything that I do, right? So those are some of the key things that you need to have in you to become a good marketer. So finally, since the time is almost up, I would like to conclude by saying that this country needs good marketers, people. Make no two words about it. I mean, we as a country, we as industries, we can go hell of a lot of, or we can gain hell of a lot of things if we market our things properly. Especially if you look at the SME sector, the one thing that they lack is marketing and good marketers. Right? We just import raw material to other countries to earn foreign exchange, but that shouldn't be the case. We should be exporting products, propositions, brands to other countries versus raw material, because that's where the money is. Now, the biggest hindrance for that to happen is us not having good marketers in this country, and there's a huge demand for great marketers in this country. So I urge you, you have taken the right step towards, becoming or having a great career. So learn, develop yourself, and go out there and help Sri Lanka and its businesses to create global Sri Lankan brands. Thank you. And I wish you all the very best and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining with us once again amidst all your busy schedules. So once again, thank you for joining with us today and sharing for all your knowledge and experience with us today. Right, so now moving on with the proceedings of today's event, this open day on professional certificate in marketing. Next up, we have the lecturer's message coming up, and To do the honors of giving the lecturer's brief, we have one of our senior lecturers from Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing, Mr. G.S. Sylvester. Now, Mr. G.S. Sylvester counts over 35 years of sales and marketing experience and over 30 years of teaching experience in teaching marketing and management related subjects. He has produced many Sri Lankan and World Prize winners for exams conducted by the Chartered Institute of Marketing, UK. He was honored to receive the CIM's Outstanding Contribution to Marketing Education Award twice in 2011 and in 2014 for his role towards assisting students to obtain a world-recognized qualification. Mr. Sylvester is a chartered marketer, a fellow of CIM UK and fellow of Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing, and he has been a CIM and SLIM member for more than 28 years and has served in numerous board positions in both Chartered Institute of Marketing, Sri Lanka region and Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing executive committees, including the post of honorary secretary of both institutes. He also has served as the chairman of SLIM Education Reforms Committee and has also authored the study text for the preliminary certificate in marketing, which is popularly known as the PCM. Currently, he serves as a senior ambassador in Sri Lanka for the Chartered Institute of Marketing UK. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. G.S. Sylvester, senior lecturer at Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing.
Thank you, Asanda, for that lovely words of introduction. Good morning, my dear students. I was told that about 300 students today have attended this webinar. So first, let me congratulate you for making a decision to follow a qualification. Now, that decision is very important, right? You have made a decision to study. Right. Why I'm telling you that is important, I can still remember two of my friends' children. Last year they finished O-levels and they asked me, both are not in marketing, both are in management. They asked me, they are going to management, can you recommend something for my children to do? Then eyes closed, I said, do the professional certificate in marketing, because marketing qualification, as Mr. Nuwan correctly said, is not necessarily only for marketeers. Everyone needs it. You may be in HR, you may be in management, you may be in front office, you may be a receptionist, whatever the profession, you need to have a marketing qualification. It's very important. Even doctors. I recall yesterday, some of my friends was asking who is the best doctor for in some field. And one friend of mine said, go and meet this doctor. Then another friend said, oh, don't go. He comes 2 hours late for the appointment. So he is not marketing himself very well. And he recommended another doctor saying he comes on time. So I believe that marketing is very important for whatever the field. So both these children started an intern in an organization. One started the PCM course. Other one said, online mata bෑ අමාරුයි කියලා පටන් ගත්තේ නැහැ. අර පටන් ගත්ත එක්කිනා මාස 3න් she got a distinction and she was taken as a junior executive of that organization because she completed this thing in there. Anith boy intern එක ඉවර කරලා යාට job එකක් හම්බුන්නේ නැහැ. intern එක පස්සේ කිව්වා your intern is over කියලා. එතන if he has done the PCA, he would have got a job there. So qualification is very important, and also making a decision is very important. ඔයගොල්ලන් අද තීරණයක් කරන් තියනවා මම මේ PCM qualification කරන්න යනවා කියලා. මගේ brief එකේ තිබුණා marketing ගැන පොඩ්ඩක් විස්තර කරන්න කියලා. මම හිතන්නේ ඒක අවශ්‍යයි කියලා. Mr. Nuwan has basically very well spoken about the importance of marketing. He correctly said marketing is not a function, and I believe that marketing is not a function. Marketing is a philosophy that drives the success of an organization. Because marketing is a philosophy. අපිට marketing දැනගන්න ඕනේ අපේ ආයතනය සාර්ථකව හැටියට ගෙනියන්න. So marketing is very, very important. වැදගත් මේ දේ තමයි දැන් ඔයාලා marketing ඉගෙන ගන්න ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ කොතනටද? ශ්‍රී ලංකා Institute of Marketing. සමහර කියනවා marketing මා ගෙදර ගිහිලා. ඒතර ඔයාලා ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ ශ්‍රී ලංකා Institute of Marketing එකේ marketing ඉගෙන ගන්න. right? So you have made the right decision. You have come to the right place to study about marketing, right? So I will basically talk about why PCM is important, and then basically I'll bring some other points listing it there, right? Now PCM is a 3-month short course, right? And one of the most difficult exam to fail. PCM fail වෙන්න බෑ. ඒක මම with confidence මම කියන්නම්. exam එක fail වෙන්න බෑ. ඇයි මම මෙහෙම කියන්නේ? මේ PCM පාඨමාලාවේ තියෙනවා modules 12. There are 12 modules in this program. And each of these modules are delivered by different industry experts. For example, somebody who will come and teach the pricing module will have a marketing qualification and also will have a financial qualification with him. So he will come and talk about finance. Somebody who is going to come and talk about marketing communications will be with a lot of experience working with agencies or worked in agency talking about communications. So you're listening to at least 7 to 8 different industry experts who are proven in this field. So what then, very importantly, my dear students, engage with them. Every day, a lot of my friends call me and ask me, I want a intern, I want something, can you recommend for me a PCM class? Now, earlier, I meet face-to-face my students. Now I can't. I basically judge people on how they engage with me when I teach a lecture. So engage with the lecturers and prove who you are. Then I will recommend and say, hey, this person is very good. He has been talking questions and all those type of things. So always engage, right? And then I have seen students who perform very well in the PGDIP or the CIM, students who have started their entry qualification from PCM. When I go for a slim graduation, the best students who normally get for all the subjects have been PCM students, 90% of PCM students. So this is a very good fundamental course for you to start the marketing, right? Then why did I tell you that you don't fail? The entire syllabus is done through a textbook that you all will be getting. All the questions, everything is taken from the textbook. Normally the examiner does not prepare a question, set a question outside the book. So if you study the entire 12 chapters, listen to all the instructions given by the lecturers, tamata exam එක fail වෙන්න බෑ. Right? You will pass the examination. Then finally we have a session, a 4-hour session called an examination techniques workshop. In that session, we bring all of you and give you a mock paper and tell you to answer. And then the lecturer will basically looks at it where you are making a mistake and corrects it for you to get very high marks at the exam. ඉතින් මේකට වඩා මොකද්ද තියෙන්නේ? එම නිසා මෙතන ඉන්න කට්ටියට ඔක්කොමද පුළුවන් සාර්ථක ප්‍රතිඵලයක් ගන්න මේ exam පාඨමාලාවෙන්. Right. Another important thing I'm telling you offhand, my dear students. This course is conducted in English. එම නිසා පුළුවන් තරම් මේක තව ඔයගලන්ට අවස්ථාවක් PCM විතරක් මාකටිං විතරක් නෙවෙයි ඉංග්‍රීසි ඉගෙන ගන්නත් මෙතන පුළුවන්. මම ඒක with confidence මම කියන්නම්. එම නිසා ඉංග්‍රීසි හරි ලේසි ඉංග්‍රීසි තමයි මම හිතන්නේ භාෂා තුනේම ලේසිම භාෂාව ඉගෙන ගන්න. අපි ඔක්කොම ලෙක්චර්ස් කතා කරන්නේ simple English වල. අපි ආයතන වලත් business කරන්නේ වැඩිම කතා කරන්නේ English වල. සමහරවිට මට කියනවා සිංහල ක්ලාස් එකක් ගන්න කියලා මාකටිං වල ඒ වචන දාන්නේ නැහැ. මම ඒ සිංහල වචනෙන් කිව්වා ළමයි මගාන වචනේ මොකක්ද කියලා. මම ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කිව්වනම් ළමයට තේරෙනවා. ඒක අපි සමහර සිංහල වචන අපිම දාන්නේ නැහැ. So it's a good way to learn English. මම පොඩි උදාහරණයක් කියන්නම්. මේ ඇත්ත උදාහරණයක්. අවුරුදු 3කට ඉස්සෙල්ලා මේක වුණේ. මම first PCM class එක ඉවරලා මම ඉල්ලනකොට ගෑනු ළමයි සර් මට කතා කරන්න පුළුවන්ද කියලා ඇහුවා. මම කිව්වා පුළුවන් කියලා. සර් මට ඉංග්‍රීසි තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ නේ සර් කිව්වා. නෑ මට ඉංග්‍රීසි බෑ කියලා කිව්වා. ඉතින් මං කිව්වා මම කරපු ක්ලාස් එක තේරුණාද කියලා. ඔව් සර් මට තේරුණා. හැබැයි සර් මට එච්චර ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් බෑ සර් කියලා කිව්වා. මම මේ කෝස් එක අතරින්න ප්ලෑන් කරන්න නිසා මට මොකක් හරි වෙන කෝස් එකක් සර් මට රෙකමන්ඩ් කරනවද කියලා. ඉතින් මං යවුවා ෆීස් ගෙවලා තියෙන කියලා කිව්වා. ඔව් සර් භාගයක් ගෙවලා තියෙන කියලා කිව්වා. එතකොට මං කිව්වා ඔයා දැන් ෆීස් භාගයක් ගෙවලානේ තියෙන්නේ. එම නිසා at least 2 months follow කරන්න. ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑනේ ෆලෝ කරන්න. සල්ලි ගෙවලානේ තියෙන්නේ. සල්ලි රිෆන්ඩ් සමහරට ස්ලිම් එකේ දෙයිද නොදීද මම දන්නේ නෑ. දෙන්නත් පුළුවන් නොදන්නත් පුළුවන්. හැබැයි since you have paid the money, follow the classes. පස්සේ මම ආයෙ ගියේ 4th class to 5th class. I saw this girl at the back, in the middle of the class. So I was very happy that she's following. හැබැයි එදා මම එක්ක කතා කරේ නෑ. When I went for the final class, she was in the first row. So I was very happy that she's following the classes. Then came the certification ceremony. මේ ගර්ල් මට ඊමේල් එකක් කරලා තිබුණා සර් මම එක්සෑම් එක කරලා ඉවරයි මම එක්සෑම් එක කරා සර් මම සර්ටිෆිකේෂන් තරමට එනවා සර් එනවාද කියලා මගේ නාල් දෙනවා මම කිව්වා මම එනවා කියලා සර් එන්න සර් මම හම්බෙන්න ඕනේ කියලා කිව්වා. ඉතින් I was very happy this girl has passed the exam. Certification ceremony එකේ she became the second runner up in Sri Lanka. මේක ඇත්ත කතාවක්. Second runner up. ඒ කියන්නේ ලංකාවේ 400 students වලින් she became the third best student. පළවෙනි දවසේ course එක අතහැරලා යනපු ස්ටුඩන්ට් කෙනෙක් ලංකාවේ ආවේ 3 වෙනියා. පස්සේ මට මාව හම්බෙලා ඇවිල්ලා අම්මත් එක්ක ඇවිල්ලා හඬලා වැඳලා ගියා. So that's a very happy. So why I'm telling you this guys is you can do it. If she can do it, you can do it. එම නිසා පුළුවන් තරම් ඉංග්‍රීසි වචන ඉගෙන ගන්න බලන්න. මට බෑ කියන වචනේ කවදාවත් කියන්න එපා. ඔක්කොමලට පුළුවන්. ඒක ඒ පොඩි දරුවාට පුළුවන් නම් ඔයගලන්ටත් පුළුවන්. So try to learn the English language. Then you become very confident. Make mistakes. When I started lecturing, people were smiling at me. I couldn't speak English very well. I used to stammer. But for 30 years, I have survived in this business. If I gave up on that day, today I won't be talking to you all. We make mistakes. People may smile at you. If you have a vision in your life, carry on it. I always wanted to become a trainer and a resource person. That's why I gave up my corporate career for 30 years and basically took into more of individual teaching and training. So you can basically do. So that is very important. So, okay, so I'm going to give you my mantra of exam success. My time is very short. I have my mantra. My mantra is the 4 P's of examination success. What are the 4 P's? The first P is plan. Right? Planning. Very, very important. Then අපට ඔයගලන්ට course time table හම්බෙන්න ඔයගලන්ට plan කරන්න ඕනේ. මාස 3ක් මම මේ course එක කරන්න යනවා කියලා. Fail to plan to fail. එතකොට ඔයගලන් දන්නවා මෙන්න මේ තමයි මගේ classes තියෙන්නේ. මේක තමයි time එක. ඒ නිසා ඒ time එක තමා කාලේ තියාගන්න ඕනේ මම මේ class වෙනවා කියලා. අද කාලේ ගොඩක් ළමයි class එන්නේ නැත්තේ recordings ලැබෙනවා කියලා. මම නම් කියන්නේ මේ recordings helpful තමයි. හැබැයි recording වල ඉගෙන ගන්න බෑ. You must go to the class and basically this thing is there. So planning. එතකොට මේ planning එකේදී අපි අද තීරණය කරන්න ඕනේ what is the grade I am going to get. I strongly tell all of you all, you should from today think I am going to get a distinction in this subject. Okay, that's your objective. That's your හරමුණ. තමගේ හරමුණ තමයි මම මේ පාඨමාලාවේ distinction එකක් ලබා ගන්නවා කියලා. එතකොට මේ අරමුණ ගත්ත පස්සේ මොකද කරන්නේ? You need to prepare. මම සූදානම් වෙන්න ඕනේ. I want to get a distinction ගන්න මම සූදානම් වෙන්න ඕනේ. You need to prepare from that day. Right? So since your objective is very high, you need to prepare yourself. Right? Class එක time එකට ඉන්න ඕනේ. Check your data is available. තමගේ mic එක වැඩ කරනවද කියන එක basically you need to prepare. Do all the work the lecturers basically tells. And then once the lecture is so, you need to practice. PCM පොතේ තියෙනවා exam papers දෙකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ papers දෙක නම් practice කරන්න. So planning, preparation, practice. Then on the final day of the examination, you perform very well. You perform. If you did the first 3 things very well, you will perform very well with confidence. So my exam success mantra is planning, prepare, practice and perform very, very well. If you do this, my dear students, there is no way you can fail the examination. Right? That's my second piece of advice. Thirdly is, in conclusion, never miss a class. Recording අපට ලැබෙනවානේ. අද match එකක් තියෙනවානේ. The World Cup උත් පටන් ගන්න යනවා. Right? I will watch the match. Match එක once in a way. Match එක recording ගන්න පුළුවන්. Recording බලන්න. Class එකට යන්න. ලෙක්චරත් එක්ක එන්ගේජ් වෙන්න. තේරුම් නැත්නම් අහන්න. ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. තමාගේ සල්ලි. තමාගේ දෙමාපියන්ගේ සල්ලි. So don't get scared. Ask the question until you understand. Right? Last thing is, all of you all should have an exercise book. Please buy a CR book and take all what the lecturer is basically saying and make a note of it. Right. So in conclusion, I wish you all the best. You have joined the correct program to learn your basics in marketing. As I told you, all of you all will get distinction if you follow my instructions. Marketing is very important. Marketing is the only avenue which brings money to the organization. If there are no customers, the company will close down. With that, wish you all the best, my dear students. God bless all of you. Do very well in your exams and in your career. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for that wonderful speech. Right, so moving on now, ladies and gentlemen, next up we have Mr. Pawan Hettiarachige, the manager, Slim Business School here, who joining with us today for how to deliver the program brief.
Thank you, Oshada. Ayubowan. Good morning to everyone. Once again, on behalf of the Slim Business School, I warmly welcome you all for the live webinar organized by Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing for PCM program, Professional Certificate in Marketing. And this will be the final intake for this year as well. So if I am to introduce myself, I am Pawan Hettiarachige, Manager, Slim Business School. So in my presentation now, I will elaborate the more details about the program content and the syllabus and the assessment criteria. So I kindly request from all to listen my presentation very carefully and note down if there are anything to be important. And also this information will really help you to continue this program without any hassle. So and also actually it's gives me great pleasure today that more than 200 attendees have joined for today's session, representing many parts of the country, Colombo, Kandy and Matara. So you have taken very good decision to follow a professional qualification in marketing management at SLIM. So the PCM, the Professional Certificate in Marketing, this program is especially designed for the individuals, those who wish to obtain a basic knowledge in marketing. And the duration for the program is 3 months, and the medium will be the English medium. And also, since there are many students representing the many parts in the country, I will continue my presentation in the bilingual by using the both Sinhala and English languages. I think other may ape PCM කියන පාඨමාලාවට Professional Certificate in Marketing අපි සිංහලෙන් කියනවා අලෙවිකරණය පිළිබඳ වෘත්තීය සහතික පත්‍ර පාඨමාලාවට. ඉතින් බොහොම සතුටු දවසක්. අද මම හිතන්නේ 200කට වැඩි පිරිසක් සහභාගී වෙලා සිටිනවා මෙම අපේ වෙබිනාර් එකට කැන්ඩි වලින් කොළඹ වලින් මාතරින් ඒ වගේම තවත් පැති වලින්. ඉතින් බොහොම හොඳ තීරණයක් අද අරගෙන තියෙන්නේ වෘත්තීය පාඨමාලාවකට සහභාගී වෙන්න විශේෂයෙන්ම ශ්‍රී ලංකා අලෙවිකරණ ආයතනයේ ජාතික ආයතනයේ අලෙවිකරණය හා සම්බන්ධ පාර්ලිමේන්තු පනතකින් සම්මත කරලා තියෙන. ඉතින් අපි බලමු මේ ප්‍රසන්ටේෂන් එකේදී මොන වගේ කරුණුද අද ඕගොල්ලන්ට දැනගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ කියලා. විශේෂයෙන්ම අපි අද මෙතෙන්දි කතා කරනවා මොකද්ද මේ PCM පාඨමාලාව, මොකද්ද මේ PCM පාඨමාලාවෙන් මට ලබා ගන්න පුළුවන් දැනුම මොකද්ද, ඒ වගේම කොහොමද මම මේක ඉස්සරහට යන්න ඕන, කොහොමද ක්ලාසස් කරන්නේ, මෙන්න මේ වැදගත් තොරතුරු ගොඩක් මම මේ ප්‍රසන්ටේෂන් එකේ මම ඉන්ක්ලූඩ් කරලා තියෙනවා. And also this qualification, the PCM, you may be from just after A-level student, or you may be sometimes entrepreneur, and also the professional who are working in the organization. Despite of your status, this would be an ideal qualification to get the basic knowledge in marketing. PCM කියන්නේ අපි ඇත්තටම ගත්තොත් මේක මේ A-level student කෙනෙක්ටවත් O-level student කෙනෙක්ටවත් එහෙම නැත්නම් specific segment එකකට design කරපු program එකක් නෙමෙයි. මෙන්න මේක තමයි මේ පාඨමාලාවේ තියෙන විශේෂත්වය. අපි ගත්තොත් PCM පාඨමාලාව අපි විවෘත කරලා තිනවා හැමෝටම මේ අලෙවිකරණය පිළිබඳව මූලික දැනුමක් ලබා ගන්න කැමති හැමෝටම. ඉතින් අපි දැකලා තියෙනවා පහුගිය ඉන්ටෙක්ස් වල අර සිල්වෙස්ටර්ස් කිව්වා වගේ ඩොක්ටර්ස්ලාත් ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නවා. ඒ වගේම ගොඩක් එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් තියෙන මැනේජර්ස්ලාත් ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නවා. ඒ වගේම A level ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස්ලාත් ඉන්නවා. ගොඩක් වෙලාවට මේ පාඨමාලාවේදී ලබා ගන්න පුළුවන් basic knowledge එකක් මොකක්ද මේ අලෙවිකරණය කියලා කියන්නේ කියලා. I think now I am not going to talk about the importance of learning the marketing as a qualification and also what are the trends and what are the emerging opportunities available in the marketing industry, because we have listened to the wonderful speeches delivered by three gentlemen, Dr. Damien Fernando, and also our guest speaker, Mr. Nuwan, and also our senior lecturer, Mr. Sylvester. So I'm not going to elaborate the more details about it, but in my presentation, actually, I will include some important details. So why you should learn this qualification. And also in my, before a couple of minutes, I told that the medium will be English, but actually English is not a barrier to complete this qualification. ඉංග්‍රීසි කියන්නේ බාධාවක් නෙමෙයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේ පාඨමාලාව සම්පූර්ණයෙන් කරගෙන යන්න. And take this as an opportunity to improve your English knowledge, because Slim, we do have another program in our portfolio, Business and Professional English. So you all can follow that program simultaneously in learning the PCM program. And also, if you are weak in English, there are a lot of activities to be improved by yourself. We may call it as the self learning. අපි ඒකට කියනවා තමන් විසින්ම ඉගෙන ගන්නවා කියලා. අතරම අපි දැකලා තියෙනවා ගොඩක් වෙලාවට ඉංග්‍රීසි දැනුම ටිකක් අල්ප ළමයි රෙජිස්ටර් වෙනවා, but they are really performing well at the examination because of their commitment. Very important, because of their commitment. So if you are weak in English, you all can do a lot of activities. For example, you can enroll for the BP program, or else you can do lot of activities by individually. So you can read more books and newspapers, and you can listen to the English news and also English programs, and not one time per week, but you all can do these activities continuously. Then I'm sure that you all can improve your English knowledge as well. So the PCM is ideal program to obtain a basic knowledge in marketing. Now actually we are moving into the qualification, and here actually we can see in the screen what are the modules available in the PCM syllabus. I will just read out the modules, so more details will include in our textbook. The module 1 is nature and scope of marketing, and the module 2 marketing environment, and the module 3 is marketing mix. So those are the modules that you can learn during the classroom sessions. And the module 4 marketing research and information system. Module 8 is pricing, and the 7th module is product planning and development. And the module 6 is very important. We call it as the STP, segmentation, targeting and positioning. And module 5 is consumer and organization buying behavior. And the 9th module is distribution place, and the promotional planning is the 10th module. And the 11th is the marketing planning and control. And the final module will be the digital marketing. Here actually you can see in the first few modules you will be able to get the theoretical knowledge in terms of the marketing management, and later on you will have an opportunity to get the practical insights about the marketing management. ඉතින් අපි ගත්තොත් මේ qualification එක මෙන්න මේක තමයි දැන් හැමෝටම පේනවා ඇති screen එක. අපේ තියෙන module content එක මේ program එකට අපි ගත්තොත් nature and scope of marketing ඉඳලා module 12 ගත්තොත් digital marketing. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි A to Z. දැන් කාට හරි හිතෙන්න පුළුවන් මට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ මොකද්ද මේ marketing කියන්නේ. For example මෙතන ඉන්න පුළුවන් commerce maths කරපු එක්කෙනෙක් science කරපු එක්කෙනෙක් A levels වලට. That doesn't matter. So module 1 එකේ actually basic point එකේ ඉඳලම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මෙතෙන්දී ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන් මොකද්ද මේ අලෙවිකරණය කියන තැන ඉඳලා digital marketing වෙනකම්ම. ඉතින් attendance is very important for every session, and each module will be conducted by the several lecturers, and also we have selected the senior lecturers from the industry to give the insights of those modules, and your attendance is much important for all these sessions. And moving on, the student registration. So now we will talk. We'll talk about some administration point. So every student must register for the program before attending to the coaching session. එතකොට දැන් අපි ගත්තොත් මේ ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එකට රෙජිස්ටර් වෙන්න ඕන. අපි හිතමු දැන් අපිට මේ PCM පාඨමාලාවට රෙජිස්ටර් වෙන්න ඕන නම්, so what is the first step? So this is the first step. So we need some documentation from you, your NIC copy and the stamp size photograph and the education certificate copy. So it may be your O-level or A-level research sheet, or if you have any degree certificate, yes, you can provide it to the copy, you can provide it to the SLIM. So those documents is compulsory. At the point of registration, you need to submit those documents. Very important, at the point of registration, you need to submit these documents. And student registration number, this is very important. දැන් අපි කතා කර කලින් ස්ටෙප් එකේදී document submit කරන්න කියලා. එතනින් පස්සේ අපි ඊළඟ ස්ටෙප් එකට ගත්තොත් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පුළුවන් program එකට register වෙන්න. At the point of registration, every student will be issued a unique registration number. So this registration number will include 10 digits. මේක බොහොම වැදගත්. ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ registration number එක මොකක්ද කියලා. දැන් අපි ඇත්තටම දැකලා තියෙනවා සමහර ළමයි කලින් intakes වල registration number එක දන්නේ නැහැ exam එකට යනකම්. ඉතින් මොකද මේ registration number එක very important, because you have to do all the corresponding with the institute by using this registration number, not your name. For example, now if you are logging to the session from next week onwards, you have to put the registration number and the name. And also when you are making some payments, and when you are facing the examination, or else actually if you need to check your results from the website, definitely you have to put the registration number. So please request your registration number at the point of registration. That's very important. And textbook and the class card. මම දැන් කිව්වා අර modules 12ක් තියෙනවා කියලා. අන්නේ modules 12 තියෙන textbook එක තමයි now you can see in the screen now the textbook, the recommended reading material for PCM program. And the students, those who have successfully submitted the relevant documents and the relevant registration payment, they can collect the class card. So this is the class card. You all can see it here now. This is the class card, and the textbook. This is the textbook for the PCM program. And let's see what this included. So this textbook included the module content from module 1 to 12, and also at the later part here you can see some past papers also here. So you all can refer the past papers as well. And very importantly, we have mentioned the assignment guidelines in the textbook. So it's your responsibility to refer the textbook on regular basis, and no need to, it's not compulsory to obtain this hard copy. Since we are conducting the classes through the Microsoft Teams online, we are sharing the soft copy of this textbook. But actually, if you need to collect the textbook hard copy, yes, you can do it. You may collect it from the SLIM Business School from 30th October onwards, and the book is collected only from weekends, not the weekdays, Saturday and Sunday from 9:30 AM to 4:30 PM. And we will share the necessary guidelines with you all until actually we will share the soft copy of the book. So you all can refer the soft copy. And again, I'm telling, if you need to collect the hard copy, yes, you can. So you all have to come to the SLIM Business School on weekends from 9:30 AM to 4:30 PM, starting from 30th October onwards. So this is very important. So now we are commencing the classes from next week, and before the class commencement, we will share the soft copy of the book. So every student must read the soft textbook. For example, now we are starting the module 1. So better actually if you can read the module 1 before attending to the classroom session. And also after that, actually, you can refer the past paper questions, and you all can do some self-learning activities as well. And the coaching sessions, due to the current situation in the country, we have decided to conduct this intake the fully online through the Microsoft Teams. So weekend, there are two class type, weekday and the weekend. Weekend classes will be held on Sunday from 8:30 AM onwards. අපි ගත්තොත් මේ PCM පාඨමාලාවට කොළඹ තියෙනවා class modules දෙකක්, class types දෙකක්. එකක් තමයි weekend, අනිත් එක තමයි weekday. එතකොට weekend class එක තියෙන්නේ හැම ඉරිදම උදේ 8:00 ඉඳලා 12:00 වගේ වෙනකන් තමයි පැය 4ක් තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Then if you are selected the weekday class, you have to attend the classes on both Tuesday and Thursday from 6 PM to 8:30 PM. එතකොට අපේ දූල පුතාලා ඉන්නවා නම් weekday class එකට එන අඟහරුවාදයි බ්‍රහස්පතින්දායි තමයි class එක තියෙන්නේ හවස 6 ඉඳන් 8:00 වෙනකම්. Then we will start the weekday class from 21st October. It means Thursday onwards, next week Thursday onwards. And weekend class, we will commence the sessions from 24th October, next Sunday onwards. And here actually I will share some important points and the best practices. And mama dakka ape Sylvester sir ut kiyනවා මේ ගැන. So even though we are conducting the classes through the online, we are strictly monitoring your attendance. That's very important. That's why actually I have told previously, you have to put your registration number. And the other thing is, very importantly, you have to get prepared for the session in advance. Now actually before the class commencement, we will share the textbook and also the class schedule. So it is your responsibility to refer the documents well in advance before the session. That's very important, and your preparedness is very important. And now, and also since we are conducting the classes online, so on Sunday you may be in your home or office, so you have to keep a separate place and log into the session sharp at 8:30 AM. If it is a weekday, sharp at 6 PM, and get prepared for the session well in advance. And for example, now for the Sunday class, we will share the link on or before the Saturday. So Friday, it's your responsibility to check your emails whether the Slim has sent the class link to you for the Sunday class. එතකොට ඒක ගොඩක් ඉම්පෝටන්ට්. මම දැන් මේ කිව්ව දේවල් ටික ඕගොල්ලෝගේ සූදානම මේ ක්ලාස් එකට. ඉතින් ඔන්ලයින් තිබුණත් අපි අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම ඇටෙන්ඩන්ස් මොනිටර් කරනවා. ඒක තමයි මම අර කිව්වේ ඇටෙන්ඩන්ස් වලදී රෙජිස්ට්‍රේෂන් නම්බර් එක හැමෝම දාන්න ඕන කියලා. ඒක අපි ට්‍රැක් කරනවා, ඒක අපි ට්‍රේස් කරනවා. ඒ වගේම තමයි ඔන්ලයින් ක්ලාස් තිබ්බත් ඕගොල්ලෝගේ සූදානම ගොඩක් වටිනවා, ගොඩක් ඉම්පෝටන්ට්. ඉරිදා නම් තියෙන ඉරිදා උදේ 8ට ක්ලාස් ලින්ක් එක හොයන්න එපා. සෙනසුරාදා වෙනකොට අපි ක්ලාස් ලින්ක් එක ෂෙයා කරනවා. එතකොට අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම සෙනසුරාදා නැත්නම් අපි සිකුරාදා වෙනකොට ක්ලාස් ලින්ක් එක ෂෙයා කරනවා. එතකොට ඊට කලින් බලන්න තමන්ගේ ඊමේල් එක චෙක් කරලා ඒ ඩීටේල්ස් ටික ඇවිල්ලාද කියලා. ඒත් එක්කම නිතරම රිෆර් කරන්න ටෙක්ස්ට් බුක් එක, පාස් පේපර්ස් රිෆර් කරන්න. සිල්වෙස්ටර්ස් කිව්වා වගේ වෙනම පොතක් තියාගන්න. ක්ලාසස් යනකොට වෙනම සෙපරේට් ප්ලේස් එකක් තියාගන්න. ගෙදර වෙන්න පුළුවන්, ඔෆිස් එකේ වෙන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට ක්ලාසස් යනකොට Tamanට අවශ්‍ය කරන දේවල් තියෙනම් පොතේ ලියා ගන්න. එතකොට ඒ විදිහට තමයි ඇත්තටම ඔන්ලයින් ක්ලාසස් යන්නේ. එතකොට තමයි අපිට ඇත්තටම then only we can take some more productive results. Otherwise if we are not receiving the student commitment, so the ultimately the final result will not good. So don't expect everything from the lecturer as well. Lecturer again සේරම දේවල් බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නත් එපා. So do not expect everything from the staff members. So your commitment also very important for these sessions, especially with attendance on time and sharp the given time. And also you need to check your emails on regular basis, and we will share the relevant documents through the email before the class commencement, and we will share the recordings as well. But it may depend on the situation. So these are the important details. So all these important details we have included in the schedule, but here actually I have taken these important details into my presentation. So to just give brief about these things, assignment briefing will be held on 14th November for the weekend batch, and weekday batch it will be conducted on 18th November, and revision session will be on next year January 2nd, and for the weekday batch 4th January Tuesday, and the exam technique session will be on 9th January next year. So here you can see before the final exam, we have scheduled revision session and also the exam technique session. And assignment briefing, in my next slides, I will let you know the assessment criteria for the program. And also now I will take this moment to share the class schedule with you all. Now here you can see the screen. This is the weekend batch class schedule. I think hope you all can see the screen now. The module 1 here we can include all the details, revision, the exam technique session, and the final examination date, and the date for your assignment submission and the time. So you all can refer the class schedule well in advance and keep those dates in your calendars. So in that case, actually, you all can manage your time as well. So මෙන්න මේ ටික තමයි class schedule එක. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේක පේනවා. Module එකේ ඉඳලා modules 12 වෙනකම්ම revision class එකක්, exam technique session එකක් අපි arrange කරලා තිනවා. Final exam එක දුව පුතේ තියෙන්නේ ජනවාරි 16. ලබන අවුරුදු ජනවාරි 16. ඒතර අපි පල්ලෙහාට ගියොත් අපිට තව තියෙනවා පේනවා important deadlines. Inauguration එක now today we are conducting the inauguration, and we are commencing the classes from 24th October, and we will be closing the registration from 7th November. And those are the documents which you need to submit at the point of registration. And here actually we have included the payment details as well and other important details. So this is the weekend class schedule, and also here now you can see the weekday class schedule for this PCM 4th intake. Weekday classes will be conducted both Thursday and Tuesday from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. and here you can see all the dates. And also for the weekday class, also we have included the revision session and also the exam techniques, and the final exam will be the same date. And here the same details mentioned in the class schedule for the weekday batch as well. This is very important, communications. So all the communications will be made through the email and also SMS. And we have published some important details in our website also. So I will invite from you all to log into the SLIM website, and even you can explore the more course details and other details. And if you need to pay your payment, yes, you have an opportunity to pay it through the SLIM website. And all the communication with regard to the PCM program will be made through the email. And if there is some urgent communication, we will be sending a SMS notification as well. And most importantly, for this PCM program, we are not managing the WhatsApp group, and so SLIM is not taking any responsibilities towards the communication made through those WhatsApp group. In previous intake also, we have observed that some students, they are creating their own WhatsApp group and add some students, and numerous communications were shared on, especially some wrong details with regard to the assignment submission. So SLIM is not taking any responsibilities towards this. So we will be making the communications through the email and also the SMS. And also if there anything, our staff will attend to the classroom session and they will share the details as well. Communications දුව පුතේ අතරම වෙන්නේ email එකෙන්, ඒ වගේම SMS එකෙන්, ඒ වගේම ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මම ආරාධනා කරනවා අපේ වෙබ්සයිට් එකටත් log වෙන්න කියලා. වෙබ්සයිට් එකට log වෙලා බලන්න මොකක්ද SLIM එක කියන්නේ. අතරම what are the other programs available at SLIM, and ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ payment එකක් වුණත් කරන්න පුළුවන් අපේ payment portal එක through. ඒ වගේම තමයි WhatsApp group manage වෙන්නේ නැහැ මේ PCM program එකට. අපි දැක්ක අපි notice කරලා තිබ්බ පහුගිය intakes වලත් එහෙම WhatsApp group කීපයක් create කරලා තිබ්බා. ඒතර සේරම communications වෙන්නේ email එකකිනුයි SMS එකකිනුයි තමයි. එතකොට ඊට අමතරව මම දැන් ඉස්සරහට share කරන්නම් telephone number එකකුත් main contact person ගේ. එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට if you need any academic support, you all can contact the SLIM Business School, and we are here to support you all. And this is the main contact person for Colombo, and Ms. Rakshika Karunaratna will be managing the PCM program. And here we have appointed a dedicated person for PCM program. Now you all can see her contact details. Her mobile number is 070-323-4411, and her email address is rakshika.s@slim.lk. මෙන්න මේ රොක්ෂිකා කරුණරත්න මිස් තමයි PCM program එක කලම් වලින් manage කරන්නේ. එතකොට මම කිව්වා කලින් communications කොහොමද වෙන්නේ කියලා. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තව if you need more academic support, ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මොකක් හරි තව උදව් ඕන නම් technical, it may be from some technical arrangement, technical support, you all can contact Miss Rakshika. She will assist you. එයාට call එකක් අරගන්න. එහෙම නැත්නම් business school එකට එන්න පුළුවන් අපේ කොළඹ business school එක. If you are from Matara, you can go to the Matara Business School, Matara branch and the Kandy branch, and Ms. Rakshika will be managing the program from Colombo. And if you are from the Matara branch, please contact Mr. Lahiru Rasanta. His email address is lahiru.r@slim.lk, and his mobile number is 070-322-7949. එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉන්නේ මාතර ගාල්ල හම්බන්තොට ඒ පැත්තේ නම් අපේ බිස්නස් ස්කූල් එකක් තියෙනවා මාතරට ගිහිල්ලා විසිට් කරලා මේ ඩීටේල්ස් ටික ගන්න පුළුවන්. මාතර නූපේ හන්දියේ තියෙන්නේ. ඉතින් බිස්නස් ස්කූල් එක ඕපන් මිස්ටර් ලහිරුව කතා කරලා ලහිරුගෙන් ඩීටේල්ස් ටික ගන්න PCM ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එක කවද පටන් ගන්නෙ, මාතර කොහොමද ක්ලාසස් කරන්නේ කියලා. ඊට අමතරව we have the Kandy branch also. Mr. Fernando will be managing the PCM program from Kandy branch, and his mobile number is 070-326-5417, and his email address is fernando.r@slim.lk. ඔගොල්ලෝ ඉන්නේ කැන්ඩි නුවර ප්‍රදේශයේ නම් මහනුවර නම් ඒ පැත්තේ ඉන්න කට්ටියට පුළුවන් අපේ පෙරදින රෝඩ් එකේ තියෙන්නේ ස්ලිම් කැන්ඩි බ්‍රාන්ච් එක. එතෙන්ට ගිහිල්ලා අහන්න PCM program එක රෙජිස්ටර් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. එතකොට Mr. Fernando contact කරලා details ටික ගන්න කැන්ඩි කොහොමද classes ටික යන්නේ කියලා. So this will be the assessment criteria for the PCM program. As I mentioned previously, there will be an assignment and also the written examination. For the assignment, actually, we are conducting the assignment briefing session. In that session, our lecturer will give you the comprehensive briefing about the assignment and what are the activities and what are the steps that you all have to follow to get the more marks. And the final exam, we have allocated 60 from the total outage, total weightage, and in the next, these are the important details, important deadlines for the assignment submission. The deadline will be on 18th and 19th December. We have already included all these informations in the class schedule as well. And examination guideline, assignment guideline. These guidelines we have included in the textbook. So we kindly request from all our students to refer the guidelines before you making the final assignment. And these guidelines and the other important details will be explained during the classroom session as well. And in the class schedule, I think I hope you can notice it. We have scheduled a dedicated session for the assignment briefing as well. එතකොට අපි ගත්තොත් assignment එකක් කරන්න තියෙනවා දුවේ පුතේ මේ program එකට. ඒකට අපි 40 marks allocate කරනවා. ඒ වගේම final exam එක තියෙනවා පැය 3ක written paper එකක්. එතකොට දෙකේම එකතු කරලා දෙකේ modules දෙකේම එකතු කරලා තමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ final grade එක හම්බෙන්නේ. අපි ගත්තොත් main take එකේ assignment submission එක තියෙනවා December 18යි 19යි. ඒ වගේම guidelines අපි mention කරලා තියෙනවා, include කරලා තියෙනවා textbook එකේ. ඒ වගේම අපි වෙනවම session එකක් arrange කරනවා කොහොමද මේ assignment එක කරන් යන්න ඕන. ඉතින් අපේ lecturer ඔයගොල්ලන්ට support කරනවා කොහොමද මේ assignment එක ඉස්සරහට කරගෙන යන්න ඕන කියලා. ඉතින් මේ සම්බන්ධව වැඩිදුර විස්තරات අපේ මේ textbook එකේ include වෙලා තියෙනවා. Past papers තියෙනවා මේ program එකට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට අපේ මම අර කලින් කිව්ව PCM textbook එකේ තියෙනවා සහ තව ඒව ඔයගොල්ලන්ට අපේ staff එකෙන් ඒව ටික share කරයි. And the exam technique sessions, this is a very important one. Before you attending to the final examination, we at SLIM has organized this unique session for the betterment of all the students. Through the actually this session will be conducted by one of our senior lecturers, Mr. G.S. Sylvester. Through this session, actually, you all can get the idea about the final examination, and especially the examination structure and what are the techniques that you have to follow during the examination. Most importantly, the tips for your time management. That's very important. I think මේ exam technique session එකේදී අපි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ කොහොමද ඔයගොල්ලෝ final exam එකට ready කරන්න කියලා. ඉතින්දී ඇත්තටම මොන වගේද paper එකේ final structure paper එකට එන දේවල් මෙතෙන්දී කියන්න නැහැ. මෙතෙන්දී ඇත්තටම කතා කරන්නේ කොහොමද ඔයගොල්ලෝ final exam එකට යන්න ඕන සහ මොනවාද follow කරන්න ඕන special techniques, time manage කරගන්න විදිය, ඒ වගේ ගොඩාක් දේවල් අපි මේ technique session එකේදී කියලා දෙනවා. I think ඔයගොල්ලන්ට දැන් තේරෙනවා ඇති අර Sylvester sir ඇයි කිව්වේ කියලා මේක fail වෙන්න මේ අමාරු exam එකක් කියලා. මොකද අපි ගොඩාක් sessions arrange කරලා තියෙනවා, revision sessions අපි කරනවා, exam technique session එකක් කරනවා. ඒ හැම දෙයක්ම කළා තමයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට final exam එකට අපි යන්න පාර හදලා තියෙන. ඉතින් ඒ ඉතින්දී ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස් ලා විදියට ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ ලොකු වගකීමක් තියෙනවා මුලින් ඉඳන්ම ක්ලාසස් වලට ඇවිල්ලා හරි විදියට ඉගෙනගෙන ඉංග්‍රීසි මීඩියම් මේ ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එක යන්නේ. එතකොට do not මම කලින් කිව්වා වගේ හැමදේම ලෙක්චර් එකෙන් බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ නැතුව තමන්ගේ වගකීමක් තියෙනවා ඉංග්‍රීසි ඉම්ප්‍රූව් කරගෙන මේ ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එකට ඉස්සරහට කන්ටිනියු කරන් යන්න. ඉතින් අර කිව්වා වගේ හරියට වැඩ කරොත් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම distinction pass එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. අපි බලමු distinction pass එකක් ගන්න මොන වගේ ලකුණු ප්‍රමාණයක්ද ගන්න ඕන කියලා මගේ ඉස්සරහා slides වලදී. So this is the admission. Final examination will be held on 16th January next year, and the students, those who have successfully submitted the assignment, and also students those who have paid the fee in full, they can collect their admission before the final examination. This is the grade description. So below 40 fail, and 40 59 you all can obtain ordinary pass, and 60 74 merit pass, and if you score more than 75 you will be able to get the distinction pass. I think ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැන් අත්‍තරම් program එකට enroll ඉන්න ළමයි විදියට හැමෝගෙම target එකක් තියෙනවා. මම අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම distinction එකක් ගන්නවා කියලා මේ exam එකේදී මේ PCM program එකේදී. And apart from the classroom sessions, actually we at SLIM is the national body for marketing in Sri Lanka. Therefore, we are conducting so many national level activities. SLIM Nielsen People's Award, SLIM Brand Excellence, FEs, and the NASCO National Sales Congress. And if any students they wish to participate for those events as a committee member, yes, you have an opportunity. So you all can send your updated CV to our event division. And apart from that, actually, we are bringing some industry experts and to do some guest sessions in parallel to the coaching sessions to share their valuable experience with our students. And also we have the Colombo Slim Student Association and Candy. They are managing the Candy Slim Student Association. And the Mathura also, we have the Mathura Slim Student Association. Through these association, actually, we are doing so many activities. But at the moment, most of the activities were kept on hold due to the COVID-19. But actually, through these association, we are organizing many more activities. For example, some entertainment activities, CSR events. Likewise, actually, you all can participate those events, activities, and your participation is very important as a student member of the institute. So you all have an opportunity to engage with the Colombo Slim Student Association. So we will share the more details in the due course regard to this. And the certification ceremony, the students, those who have successfully completed all the components, both the written examination and the assignment, they will be eligible to attend the certification ceremony. And during the certification ceremony, you all can get your certificates. And this ceremony will be held on every year, October or November, and the more details will be communicated to all the students in writing. Certification ceremony එකේදී අපි ගත්තොත් අපේ PCM පාඨමාලාව සම්පූර්ණ කරපු හැම ළමයෙක්ටම මෙතෙන්ද ගිහිල්ලා තමන්ගේ certificate එක ගන්න පුළුවන්. අපි ඇත්තටම this is something very unique. අනිත් ගොඩාක් institutes වල තියෙනවා graduation ceremony කියලා එකක්. හැබැයි අපි especially අපේ certificate level programs follow කරන හැම දරුවෙක්ටම අපි මෙන්න මේ වටිනා කියන අවස්ථාවට අපි එන්න මඟ පාදලා තියෙනවා. Certification ceremony is the second important academic event of Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing. එතකොට PCM පාඨමාලාව successfully complete කරපු හැමෝටම තමන්ගේ parents ලත් එක්ක මේ certification ceremony එකට එන්න පුළුවන්. So this will be your ultimate goal to get the certificate, and even after the PCM program you all can enroll for the postgraduate diploma, and we have the national diploma in sales management and especially designed for the sales management. And after that the PhD program, postgraduate diploma in marketing management, and even after that actually you will have an opportunity to enroll for the MBA in marketing program and in association with the Wrexham Glendale University in UK. So likewise actually here now you have taken very good decision to start your professional journey with Slim, and we are the national body for marketing in Sri Lanka, incorporated by an act of parliament in 1980. Slim is not a just tuition center, and we are the apex body for marketing. And here actually you all can get more opportunities, Slim membership, and even we are sharing some job vacancies with our students. So for example, now if you are the O-level, A-level students, so this will be your turning point in your journey. So you can get the job vacancy, job opportunity from Slim. It means we are sharing some vacancies with our students, and after that actually you can enroll for the further studies, postgraduate qualifications, master levels. Even after that actually we have the certified professional marketer, the international status, and even likewise you all can apply for the Slim membership. So likewise there is a long journey with Slim. So today you have taken the initial steps to enroll with the Slim PCM. So those are the details which I need to share with you today during the open day. Now I think you have a very good understanding about the Slim, and also the more details about the PCM program. So now we are commencing the classes from next week onwards. So please share these details with your colleagues and staffs and ask them to join with Slim PCM program. So you all can contact Mr. Madhushankar for registration purposes. Mr. Madhushankar is the Assistant Manager Business Development, and I will tell his mobile number 070-318-9646. He's from Colombo. 070-318-9646. If you are from Colombo, please contact Mr. Madhushankar, and if you are from the Kandy region, please contact Mr. Fernando, and if you are from the Matara, please contact Mr. Laheru. So please share this information. මේ තොරතුරු ඔයාලා බෙදා ගන්න ඕගොල්ලෝගේ colleagues ලා ඉන්නවා නම් staff එකෙම නැත්නම් ඕගොල්ලෝගේ office එකේ යාළුවෝ ඉන්නවා නම් ඒ හැමෝටම කියන්න Slim program එකත් එක්ක join වෙන්න කියලා. PCM program එකත් එක්ක අපි දැන් classes පටන් ගන්නවා next week ඉඳලා. එතකොට classes next week ඉඳලා පටන් ගන්නවා. ඉතින් එතෙන්දී ඊට කලින් ඔයාලට ඒ කට්ටියට කියලා program එකට join වෙන්න පුළුවන්. So thank you very much. Listen to my presentation. So on behalf of the business school, we wish all the very best for your future journey. Thank you very much. Thank you, Oshida. Over to you again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for that wonderful information. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, with that, this wonderful open day comes to an end. But before concluding today's session, there's a small video put together by the organizing committee of this certification ceremony, so you can enjoy it now. I hope you enjoyed that video. Sorry for the inconvenience. We had a small technical issue earlier. Right. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to conclude today's session. So once again, thank you for joining with us today for this open day in professional certificate in marketing. I would like to thank our guest, Mr. Nuwan Vidyapathige, Chief Operating Officer, E-commerce Softlogic Retail Holdings, for coming in here, and then of course our senior lecturer, Mr. G.S. Sylvester, and Dr. Damien Fernando, Head of Education, Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing, and Mr. Pawan Hettiarachge, the Manager, Slim Business School as well. So once again, thank you for joining with us today, and hope you'll enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.